Log into ROMS. ROMS will automatically select the Quotation tab. Click New Quote and select a customer. You'll see the information populate in the appropriate fields. Edit the date, valid for, FOB point, and terms accordingly. Enter the buyer's name into the Attention section. If the buyer is in the database, their contact information should appear. If the buyer is not in the database, right-click to add them. Type BBP Sales in the Place Order To field. Type any comments into the Comment To section. These will show up at the bottom of the quote in bold. If there is a project name, type this into the Reference section. This will appear at the top of the quote when it is printed. Navigate to the Quote Items tab and select Add Item. First enter the profit line, then type in the model number. If the model number is in the database, it will automatically populate. Enter in the manufacturer and the list price. If the price needs to be changed, right-click and click Price Override and change the price. There will be no cost for this line, so enter 0 so that this line shows all profit. Enter the product description, the lead time, and any necessary internal notes. Next, add the cost lines. Type in the model number. If the model is in the database, it will automatically populate. Enter in the manufacturer and the list price. The multiplier will be 0 for this line, and the cost multiplier will be 1. This will make this line now show negative profit. Enter the product description, the lead time, and any necessary internal notes. Now, right-click on this line and select Add to Assembly. Select the line that shows the profit for this assembly. Once it is selected, the profit line will be green and the cost lines will be yellow. Repeat this process for any additional cost lines that need to be added to the assembly. Now we will navigate to the Inventory tab. Here you will see all the model numbers entered for the quote and, if there is any in stock, it will show you the available quantity. Check the available quantity for the items you wish to quote, and if it is available, go back to the Quote Item tab and make an internal note saying the item is in stock, pending inventory levels at the time of order, and change the lead time accordingly. Go to the Documents tab and add all the necessary documents. These can be added by dragging and dropping documents into the folders or uploading the files. These are the folders. Customer Quote Correspondence. Here you add all the relevant emails sent between BBP and the customer. Data sheets. If there are any helpful data sheets, such as spec sheets or calculations, include them here. ISOS emails. Always engage the appropriate salesman who is assigned to your customer and include any correspondence from them in this folder. Vendor emails. File all emails between yourself and the vendor here. However, the email containing the official vendor quote should be saved in the Vendor Quote folder. Go back to the Title Section tab and check the box that says Attach in Email next to the Print Quote button. Send the quote to the customer via email and save the email in the Documents tab under Customer Quote Correspondence. Congratulations! You have just completed a quote in ROMS.